Good morning. Today we will start from next question. A plane left 30 minutes late than its scheduled time, and in order to reach the destination, which is 1500 km away in time, I had to increase its speed by 100 km per hour from usual speed and find its usual speed. As we know, speed is equal to distance upon time. So let's solve this using this formula. Let the usual speed of plane be x 100 km per hour. As given in question, 1500 km is the distance covered by a plane. So distance upon x speed minus distance upon x plus 100, and here 100 is the speed increased in r, which is equal to time 30 by 60, and here we are dividing 30 by 60 because we have to get the answer in r, but in question the speed is given in minute. So here we take LCM and cross multiply it, then we get this equation. Then using substitution method we solve this question and we get x is equal to minus 600 and x is equal to 500, but the speed cannot be in negative, so we will take this x instead of this. So the final speed of plane will be 1500 km per hour. Thank you.